Today you are gonna take your experimental poetry paper strips, fold them accordion style, and glue them into a cover to make your own poem art book. Let's go. Hello, my talented artists. Now we are going to add covers to our little accordion books. This is going to be the cover. You get to pick one of these, but before we glue our pages into our cover, what I want you to do is I want you to look at your accordion paper, and I want you to discover or decide which side is the front.
Look carefully at your end papers. If they are folded down like an M, like the one you see here, they are folded the wrong way.
I want the ends to be folded up on the side that's your front. So we're gonna reverse the folds. So we're just gonna fold back and forth, and we're just changing each
fold. You want your accordion paper to look like an extended W.
So if this is the front, I want your two ends to turn up.
It's important that
the accordion at the ends to fold up like a W, like a crazy W. This one is folded down like a crazy M. We don't want that. So all we need to do is just reverse each fold. Oh, this one is folded down. So you know what? Let's start here. When you're folding, remember to press the actual fold. You can change the folds before you glue it in, but just make sure that you're really pressing hard on those folds. This creates a nice crease.
If your paper's already folded like a crazy W, you don't need to change the folds.
The ends are sticking up like a crazy W. All right, so I have a blank one. You might have a blank one, and that's fine. We're gonna take a piece of this wallpaper and we're going to fold it in half. We're lining up these edges, and then remember how to make a nice crease. We take our fingers and really rub it. You can take your thumb, but we're rubbing right on that crease. Now we're gonna open it up. That's ready for us. I want you to look at your book, see how it will open, and then put all the pages on one side. If you have it in like this and it doesn't open,
let me be clear. You want the first page to open with the book cover.
You can just turn it around. Let me know if you need help, but ask 3 people before me. Now, when we're using these bottle glues, they should be screwed, the color part should be screwed all the way down to the white of the bottle. So the first thing we need to do is twist that open. So that should be open. We don't need to pull it. Just twist this. You don't want this part to twist, just the colored tip. Now I'm gonna turn it upside down and squeeze just a dot on each corner. That's actually kind of a lot of glue, and I don't want it to squeeze out. So I'm just gonna spread it on the back of my first page. I'm gonna wipe my finger there, and now I'm going to take my first page and open it up to glue down to the back of my cover, and I'm gonna rub it. Now I'm gonna put all the pages on the other side. They're stacked up, and remember, I'm looking for that opening there. That page opens like a book. I'm gonna do dot, dot, not a lot on each corner. And I want you to notice, I'm not putting it at the corner, I'm putting it in. We don't want the glue to squish out. So I'm gonna actually push the glue kind of in. And if I have gluey fingers, I can wipe it on the back of my cover. And now I'm gonna press this page down gently. Press it down. And look, I have my little book. All right, let's see what you do.